Let us continue preparation of phenols. In the preparation of phenols, we will take cumene. We are taking cumene. Cumene is called isopropyl benzene. Cumene is called isopropyl benzene, we can say isopropyl benzene. That isopropyl benzene will write like this. Isopropyl benzene. It is treated with atmospheric air. Then what happens means this secondary carbon, this benzylic carbon is undergoing oxidation. This benzylic carbon is undergoing oxidation. So benzylic carbon is undergoing oxidation and becomes a hydroperoxide. This benzylic carbon undergoes oxidation and gives what in the sense hydroperoxide, we can say. So what is the name of this one in the sense cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide. So we got cumene hydroperoxide. This is treated with acid. It is treated with acid. So what we are getting in the sense phenol and acetone. Phenol and acetone we are getting. Phenol and acetone. So cumene is treated with atmospheric air. We are getting cumene hydroperoxide. It is treated with HCl. We are getting a phenol. Okay. Next we will see about acidity. Next we will see about acidity. Okay, acidic natures we will compare. Now we will take methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. How the acidic nature will be there, that we will see. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, acidic nature we will compare. Okay, so methyl alcohol will take CH3OH. Now this bond is shifting here, therefore we will get CH3O minus and H plus. So what about acidic nature? Acidic nature, how it will be there? So methanol acidic nature we said. Now we will go for ethanol. Ethanol we will take like this. This bond is shifting. Therefore we will get ethoxide and H plus. So we are getting a ethoxide and H plus we got. Now methanol is giving H plus, therefore acidic. Ethanol is giving H plus, therefore acidic. What about their acidic strength? That we'll see. Here methyl group shows plus I effect. Here ethyl group shows plus I effect. So which is having higher plus I effect in the sense? Plus I effect magnitude will be more here, less here. Therefore, this oxygen gets less electron cloud from methyl group. This oxygen gets more electron cloud from ethyl group because ethyl group shows higher plus I effect. Therefore, this bond shifting, this oxygen is pulling this bond strongly. This oxygen pulling this bond weakly. Why? Because it has got a high electron cloud from this ethyl group. Plus I effect magnitude is more here. Therefore, this oxygen pulling this electron cloud with less tendency, this oxygen pulling this electron cloud with more tendency. Therefore, it is giving H plus easily when compared to this. It is giving H plus easily when compared to this. Therefore, this methyl alcohol is having higher acidic nature than ethyl alcohol. Okay, methyl alcohol is having higher acidic nature than ethyl alcohol, we can say. So, next point we will see. So methyl alcohol gives methoxide and H plus. Ethyl alcohol gives ethoxide and H plus. Sir, now this methoxide will take. In this methoxide, this methyl group shows plus I effect. Therefore, here electron density of negative charge magnitude increases. Here, in the ethoxide, ethyl group shows plus I effect. Therefore, negative charge magnitude increases. Sir, ethyl group shows higher plus I effect than methyl group. Therefore, negative charge magnitude, that means the density of negative charge in high air, low air. Therefore, it is having high tendency to take back H plus. It is having less tendency to take back H plus. Therefore, which is having, in which case the backward is more, here backward is more, here backward is less. That means net result says that here forward is more, here forward is less. So that this acidic nature is more, this acidic nature is less, we can say. Sir, methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol acidic nature we discussed. Okay. Next we will take, next compound we will take NO2 group, CH2, CH2OH. This compound we will take. Next compound is Cl, CH2, CH2OH we will take. Next compound is CH3, CH2OH we will take. Okay. How the acidic nature will be there, that we will see. Now, this ethanol, the bond is shifting like this, therefore it is becoming ethoxide and giving H plus. This chloroethanol will say take beta chloroethanol. Okay. The bond is shifting like this. This bond is shifting in this way. Therefore, we are getting a beta chloroethoxide and H plus. So ethanol giving H plus, therefore it is acidic. Chloroethanol giving H plus, beta chloroethanol giving H plus, therefore it is acidic. Now, this Cl shows minus I effect. But in this case, no minus I group. Okay. Due to minus I group, here electron density is less. Here no minus I group, therefore electron density is high. Therefore, this oxygen pulls this electron cloud with a less tendency. This oxygen pulls this electron cloud with more tendency. Because here electron density is less. When compared to this. Since electron density is more, it is having less tendency to pull the bond pair towards itself. But it is having more tendency. Therefore, it is giving H plus easily when compared to this. Therefore, which is having higher acidic nature? Beta chloroethanol or ethanol? Beta chloroethanol is having higher acidic nature, we can say. Sir, now beta nitroethanol will take. How it will be there? Beta nitroethanol. So beta nitroethanol we can write like this. Okay. Now here what happens means this bond can shift here. Therefore, this nitrogen gets electron deficiency. Therefore, this nitrogen pulls this bond pair like this. Therefore, this NO2 shows what effect in the sense? Minus I effect. Due to minus I effect, here electron density becomes low. Therefore, this oxygen pulling this bond pair and giving H plus, therefore it is having acidic nature. Now, beta chloroethanol and beta nitroethanol. In both cases, minus I group is there. It is also showing minus I group. Therefore, it can also give H plus. Now, it is beta nitroethanol, it is beta chloroethanol. Here nitro group shows minus I effect, here Cl shows minus I effect. Okay, both are showing minus I effect. So, how the acidic nature will be there? Now, see that here this nitrogen is having positive charge. This nitrogen is more electronegative than this chlorine. That means actually nitrogen and chlorine electronegativity is almost the same. Element means. But it is having positive charge. Because of positive charge, this electronegativity is more than that of Cl. And also, this N plus is attached to high electronegative atom oxygen. This oxygen is having high electronegativity. Therefore, it is pulling the bond pair towards itself. Therefore, nitrogen electronegativity is still raised. Therefore, this N plus is having very high electronegativity when compared to this Cl. Therefore, this NO2 group shows higher magnitude of minus I effect when compared to Cl. So, minus I effect tendency is more, minus I effect tendency is less. Therefore, here electron cloud density at oxygen becomes less, but electron cloud density at oxygen is high when compared to this. Therefore, this oxygen pulls this bond pair towards itself with less tendency. This oxygen pulls this bond pair towards itself with high tendency. So it gives H plus easily when compared to this. Therefore, it is having higher acidic nature when compared to this. Okay. So beta nitroethanol is having higher acidic nature than beta chloroethanol. Okay. How the acidic nature is there, that we discussed. Okay. So now we will take a next example. Next point we will take. Now we'll take alpha chloropropanol. Alpha chloropropanol will take. Then we'll take beta chloropropanol. Beta chloropropanol will take. Then gamma chloropropanol. Gamma chloropropanol will take. Okay. So in all cases, minus I group is there. But this minus I group is closer to this oxygen. This minus I group is far away from this oxygen. Okay. So this inductive effect depends on distance. Here, how the distance is there? Distance between here, distance between alpha chlorine and oxygen of OH. Oxygen of OH. Here, distance between beta chlorine and oxygen of OH. Oxygen of OH group. How it is there means here distance is less. Here distance is more. Therefore, minus I effect tendency is more. Here minus I effect tendency is less. Therefore, which will give H plus easily? This will give H plus easily. It is not. Therefore, if minus I group goes far away, then acidic nature decreases. Therefore, this alpha chloro, beta chloro, gamma chloro will, if you see, alpha chloro is having more acidic nature than beta chloro. Beta chloro is having more acidic nature than gamma chloro, we will say. Sorry, okay. So like this acidic nature is there. Okay. Next we will see N-pentyl alcohol. Next we will take N-pentyl alcohol. N-pentyl alcohol. Okay. Then we will take a isopentyl alcohol. Isopentyl alcohol. Isopentyl alcohol. Next we will take a 2-methyl butane 1-ol. 2-methyl butane 1-ol will take. So like this you are taking. Now, here if you see, this is one alkyl chain, therefore it shows plus I effect. Here if you see, methyl group shows plus I effect, methyl group shows plus I effect, therefore here 2 methyl group showing plus I effect, whereas here only 1 methyl group showing plus I effect, therefore plus I effect tendency is more when compared to this. Here, this methyl group shows plus I effect, this methyl group shows plus I effect, and therefore, and also this methyl group is closer to oxygen. Here, methyl group is closer to oxygen of OH group. Therefore, plus I effect is still more. Plus I effect is still more here. Okay. So here methyl group is somewhat far away from OH group of oxygen. So plus I effect is more means acidic nature will be less. Therefore, which is having higher acidic nature means this compound will have higher acidic nature when compared to this compound. This compound is having higher acidic nature than this compound. So like this acidic nature is there. Now we will take alcohol, will take, and water will take. How the acidic nature will be there, that we'll see. Okay. So alcohol I will take, that is giving a H plus and becomes alkoxide. Water I will take, that gives a H plus and a hydroxide. Okay. Now we will see which is having higher acidic nature. We'll see. Okay. So now this R group shows plus I effect. Here no plus A effect. Therefore, plus A effect is there means acidic nature will be less. Acidic nature will be less. Therefore, alcohol is lesser acidic than water. Sir, next. This R group shows plus A effect. Therefore, the electron density is high. Therefore, it is having higher tendency to take back H plus, but it is having lesser tendency to take back H plus. Therefore, which is having higher acidic nature? Water is having higher acidic nature than alcohol. Okay. Now we will take methyl alcohol. pKa we will see. pKa we will say about acidic nature. pKa is how much means 15.5. Then water will take. pKa is how much means 15.74. Then ethanol will take. Ethanol pKa is how much means 16. Okay. What is the relation between pKa and Ka? pKa is equal to minus log of Ka. Sir, if Ka is more, pKa is less, acidic nature will be more. Okay. So acidic nature depends on Ka. If Ka is high, acidic nature will be high. Okay. So if pKa is less, acidic nature will be high. So pKa is less, therefore acidic nature is like this. So we said alcohol is lesser acidic than water. Previously we discussed alcohol is lesser acidic than water. That's what is there here. But what is the exception? Methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is coming under exception. This methyl alcohol is more acidic than water. Okay, remember that methyl alcohol is more acidic than water. Generally, alcohol is lesser acidic than water. In that, what is the exception? In the sense, methyl alcohol is the exception. Set. Next, we will take alcohol and phenols. We will take. Okay, so now we will take alcohol, then we will take phenol. What about acidic nature? That we will see. Okay, what about acidic nature in this case? Set. Now alcohol in the sense that gives a H plus and becomes alkoxide. Okay, it shows plus A effect. It is also showing plus A effect. Therefore, acidic nature of alcohol is less, we are saying. Okay, now we will take about phenoxide. So phenol will take this phenol, it is giving H plus and becomes what in the sense phenoxide. Okay, this phenoxide can undergo resonance. Phenoxide can undergo resonance. Okay, how the resonance structure will be there, that we will see. Phenoxide can undergo resonance. Okay, so in this resonance, which is a donor and which is acceptor? Which is a donor and which is acceptor, that we will see. Okay, this oxygen will donate lone pair, this pi bond will shift like this. Therefore, oxygen double bond, here pi bond, here negative charge. What is the next resonance structure? We will see. This negative charge comes as pi bond comes as negative charge. Pi bond, negative charge. Next resonance structure we will see. Next resonance structure, negative charge becomes pi bond becomes negative charge. Okay, like this resonance structure is possible for phenoxide. Therefore, phenoxide is more stable. Therefore, phenol easily giving H plus. But here, this R group shows plus A effect. Therefore, it is having more tendency to take H plus. Therefore, this acidic nature is less. This acidic nature is more. So, alcohol is lesser acidic than phenols. Okay, alcohol's acidic nature is what in the sense less than that of phenols, we can say. So, next in the phenols, other category we will take. Now, orthonitrophenol will take. Orthonitrophenol, for this pKa is how much in the sense 7.2. Next, metanitrophenol will take. Metanitrophenol, pKa is how much in the sense 8.3. Next, paranitrophenol. Paranitrophenol, for this pKa value is how much in the sense 7.1. Next, benzene will take pK is how much in the sense 10. Okay. So now we said pKa values. So how the pKa values are there, that we have discussed. Now from this we'll say acidic nature, will say here which is having least pKa value in the sense this para. Therefore para is having higher acidic nature than this ortho. Ortho is having higher acidic than meta. Okay, what is the reason, that we'll see. Why para is having higher acidic nature? Why para is having higher acidic nature means this NO2 group shows minus R effect. Minus R effect. Therefore, at this carbon, positive charge is created. Positive charge will be created. Okay. This NO2 group. This NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. It shows minus R effect. Due to minus R effect, at this carbon positive charge is created. Therefore, this OH group easily donating H+. Okay. Now, this NO2 group shows minus R effect. Due to that, at this carbon positive charge is created. Okay. But not at this carbon. At this carbon, no positive charge. Therefore, here this carbon is having positive charge. This carbon is not having positive charge. Therefore, it easily gives H+, but not this one. Therefore, it is having higher acidic nature, but it is having lesser acidic nature. Sir, what about orthonitrophenol? This nitro group shows minus R effect. Due to that, this carbon gets a positive charge. Due to positive charge, this OH group easily giving H+. Therefore, its acidic nature is more than that of this meta. So, ortho and para if you see, ortho and para if you see, which is having higher acidic nature and which is having lower acidic nature, that we will see. So, nitro group will take like this. So, what happens here in the sense, here hydrogen bonding is possible. Now, how many membered rings? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 membered ring is possible. That is more stable. Due to hydrogen bonding, it is having less tendency to donate H+. Therefore, here acidic nature is less, whereas here acidic nature is more. Okay, sir. So here electron withdrawing group is there. When electron withdrawing group is there, how the acidic nature is there, that we got a idea. Sir. Now we will take a electron donating group. We will take now OH, phenyl ring. Here methyl group we will take. Here pKa is 10.2. Then OH, methyl group we will introduce at meta. Here pKa is 10.1. OH, then methyl group at para. This pH is 10.2. Okay, pH not pKa values we have given. So how the acidic nature is there? Now this is the methyl group. Okay, this is the methyl group. This methyl group shows a hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation. Due to hyperconjugation, what happens means at this carbon negative charge is created. Similarly, at this carbon negative charge is created. Okay. Negative charge means this OH group is having lesser tendency to donate H+. This OH group is having lesser tendency to donate H+. Therefore, acidic nature is less. But because of this methyl group, this carbon gets a negative charge, but not this carbon. This carbon is not getting negative charge. It is getting negative charge. Therefore, this OH group is having higher tendency to donate H+ than these two. Therefore, its acidic nature is high. Sir. But this acidic nature is less when compared to this acidic nature, because here electron withdrawing group is there, whereas here electron donating group is there. Okay. Therefore, only like this pH is like this acidic nature is there. Okay, therefore, due to electron withdrawing group, this acidic nature is high. Due to electron donating group, this acidic nature is low. Okay, we'll take next one. We'll take now. We'll take a orthochlorophenol. Orthochlorophenol. Then we'll take metachlorophenol. Metachlorophenol. Then we'll take a parachlorophenol. Parachlorophenol. How the acidic nature is there in the sense? Orthochloro is greater than metachloro, metachloro is greater than parachloro. Which is greater than a phenol? Which is greater than phenol? What is the reason? That we'll see. Now, this parachlorophenol is lesser acidic than phenol. That means what is the reason? Means it shows Flusser effect. That's why it shows a Flusser effect. Flusser effect in the sense it is showing Flusser effect. But because of this Flusser effect, either this carbon gets a negative charge. Because of this Flusser effect, it is not getting no negative charge. Here negative charge will be obtained. Okay, therefore we can say this is having higher acidic nature than this one. So now we will take ortho. It shows Flusser effect. Because of that, here negative charge will be there. Therefore, it should have lesser acidic when compared to metachloro. But it is exception. So, exception in the sense here we cannot use this resonance effect. What effect we have to use in the sense this effect we cannot use? Here we have to say minus I effect of Cl, and this minus I chlorine is closer to OH group. Therefore, it is having higher tendency to donate H+. Therefore, it is having acidic nature more. Like that we have to explain. We have to explain. We have to give suitable explanation for what? For experimental result. Okay. Next we will take a parachlorophenol. Parachlorophenol will take. Next parafluorophenol will take. Parafluorophenol. Then parabromophenol. Parabromophenol. Then para-iodophenol. Then para-iodophenol. Like this will take. Okay. How the acidic nature will be there? That we will see. Now, electronegativity order will see. Order of electronegativity. Cl more than Br more than I. Therefore, here minus I effect is more. Minus I effect is less, minus I effect is less, still less. Minus I effect is more, therefore more acidic than this. Minus I effect is here more when compared to this, therefore it is more acidic. Okay. Then what about this fluoro? Actually, fluorine electronegativity is more than that of Cl, but this acidic nature is against expectation. Therefore, we cannot take electronegativity of fluorine. We have to take some other point we have to take. What is the point? Means here lone pair present in 2p orbital. Here carbon-carbon pi bond present in 2p orbitals. Therefore, its plus or resonance effect tendency is more. Because of plus or effect tendency more, this acidic nature is less than that of this parachlorophenol. Parachlorophenol we can say. Okay. Why here resonance effect is more? Because it is second orbital. It is also second orbital. Second, principal quantum number 2. Here also principal quantum number 2. Therefore, resonance is considerable here. Therefore, its acidic nature is less than that of this. Okay. Next we will take next set we will take metamethoxyphenol. Will take metamethoxyphenol. Metamethoxyphenol. Then we'll take phenol. Then we'll take orthomethoxyphenol. Then we'll take paramethoxyphenol. How the acidic nature will be there? Now we will take paramethoxy and orthomethoxy will take. This it shows plus R effect. Here two lone pairs are there, therefore two lone pairs are there, therefore it shows plus R effect. Plus R effect. Okay. Due to plus R effect, here this carbon gets a negative charge. Here also it shows plus R effect. Therefore, this carbon gets negative charge. So, what is the experimental result says that we'll see acidic nature is like this. Therefore, we cannot consider plus R effect point, we cannot consider to explain this. So, we cannot consider this plus R effect point we cannot consider. That if we consider, we cannot explain, isn't it? Therefore, what we have to do, that we'll see. Okay. Now, we will consider minus I effect of oxygen. Minus I effect of oxygen. Distance is more, so less. Distance is less, therefore more. So, minus I effect is more here, minus I effect is less here, therefore this acidic nature is more when compared to this. Like this, we have to give suitable explanation. Okay. Now, phenol and orthomethoxy phenol, if you see, phenol is more. What is the reason? Phenol is more. Why is it so? That we will see. That means this methoxy group shows plus R effect. Therefore, this is more acidic when compared to this. Like this, we can say. So, metamethoxyphenol acidic nature is more than this. Why? Because here minus I effect we have to consider. Don't take plus R effect. Minus I effect you consider, then it is having more acidic nature than this, we can say. So how the acidic nature is there, that we got idea. Now we will take another example. Now OH, here phenyl ring, here methyl group, here methyl group, here NO2 group we will take. Okay. Next we will take OH, phenyl ring, here methyl, here NO2. NO2 will take. Now we will see acidic nature of these two. We will see which is having higher acidic nature, means this is having higher acidic nature. What is the reason? Why this one is having higher acidic nature? Why this one is having higher acidic nature than this? What is the reason? Okay, what is the reason in the sense? Now this NO2 is the electron withdrawing group. It shows minus R effect, isn't it? Okay, that minus R effect tendency will take. So this OH, now 5 bonds will give, methyl group will give, and this N double bond O minus. Okay, now we will see resonance structures. We will see. So this bond migrating like this bond migrating like this. Okay, therefore what is possible in the sense resonance is possible. Here, okay, like this resonance structure is possible. This NO2 group shows minus R effect, electron withdrawing group. Because of this NO2 group, at this carbon, positive charge will be developed. Positive charge will be developed. Okay. Therefore, it is having more acidic nature. So what about another one that we'll see? This OH, here methyl, here NO2. Correct? 5 bonds will give like this. Now what happens means, because of these two methyl groups, because of two methyl groups, NO2 is perpendicular to phenyl ring. But here NO2 group and phenyl ring both in same plane. Here NO2 and phenyl ring both in same plane, but here NO2 and phenyl ring are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, here NO2 can show minus R effect. NO2 can show minus R effect, but NO2 no minus R effect. Minus R effect not possible here. Therefore, only this is having more acidic than this. Okay. So next compound we will take here. Here cyanide, here methyl, here methyl. Okay, then OH. Here methyl group, here cyanide. Okay. Now, how the acidic nature is there? Acidic nature will be like this. Why is it so? Here, Cn is electron withdrawing group. Here also Cn is electron withdrawing group. This Cn, how it is coming, that we will see. This OH. Now, this Cn is like this, linear. Therefore, Cn is in which plane in the sense? In the plane of phenyl for both. In both cases, Cn is in a plane of phenyl ring. Is in a plane of phenyl ring, we can say. Cn is in a plane of phenyl ring. So, then why it is having less acidic nature than this? Because here steric hindrance is more. Here steric hindrance is more, whereas here steric hindrance is less. Steric hindrance is less. Steric hindrance is more means base cannot come easily and abstract H plus. So base is finding difficulty to take H plus from here, therefore acidic nature is less. Here steric hindrance is less, therefore base easily takes H plus, therefore this acidic nature is more, we can say. So which is more acidic and which is less acidic, that point we got it. Okay. So in the alcohols, how the acidic nature is there means so and so. Next we will go for chemical properties of alcohols. Chemical properties of alcohols. In the chemical properties, in the OH group, in the alcohol, O bond H bond can involve. Otherwise, C bond oxygen can involve in chemical reaction. Now first we will see involvement of OH bond, that we will see. Involvement of OH bond, that point we will see. Okay. So now we will take a cleavage of OH bond. Cleavage of OH bond, that we will take. Okay. Now we will take alcohol. We will add sodium into this. Then what we are getting in the sense RO minus Na plus and H2 gas. Okay, H2 gas. Like this reaction possible. Sorry, how this reaction takes place, that we will see. Sodium gives electron and becomes Na plus. This ROH, this electron is taken by oxygen. Therefore, this bond getting homolytic cleavage. Therefore, we are getting H dot. That H dot combines with another H dot and gives H2. Therefore, it is becoming what in the sense O minus, because this electron and incoming electron one. Therefore, O minus, alkoxide. So, alcohol on dissolving in sodium, we are getting sodium alkoxide and hydrogen gas. Here, which bond is broken in the alcohol in the sense OH bond, that is homolytic cleavage. Homolytic cleavage way it is cleaved. Okay. Next, we will see phenol with the sodium. We will see phenol with the sodium. So here also what happens means sodium is giving electron. That electron is taken by O minus oxygen. This bond is breaking partially. This is becoming hydrogen gas. Then what is the remaining in the sense sodium phenoxide is the remaining. Sodium phenoxide is obtained. So when phenol is treated with the sodium, we are getting phenoxide and hydrogen. Okay. Next, we will treat phenol with sodium hydroxide. Let us treat phenol with the sodium hydroxide, what happens means acid base reaction takes place. Therefore